Good day, friends. Today is Unity's World Day of Prayer, the 25th anniversary of the World Day of Prayer. And it is a powerful moment of time for us to turn to prayer, turn to the place where we know in unity we affirm, we pray from an affirmative place, from a place that says, yes, I am living in the truth and the understanding of truth. And as I claim and know who I am and what I am, I understand that I am one with this divine light, this Christ power and presence within me. I find a deep resonance and peace and groundedness in my own being, so that whatever shows up in the midst of life, which we are facing, the storms of life, the chaos of the world, the experiences and situations that challenge us, whether they're financial or health or relationships, every moment we get the opportunity to have the courage to stay in that divine presence, to know that there is a greater divine order and that I can be in well-being and wholeness and health and vitality right here and right now, no matter what the outer appearance. Because my life is not about the outer appearance. It's about remembering and living from the truth. And when I hold and ground that presence powerfully within myself, I become a healing presence for the world. Not only am I a healing presence for myself and the mind that wants to be all over, but I become a healing presence for my family, for my community, my loved ones, and ultimately for the earth and the world. And this is the message of our theme for World Day of Prayer for Unity, the courage to heal, to have the courage to stay in truth and wholeness in the midst of when everyone else is feeling panic or fear or doubt. All the things that would take us from a place of knowing a greater truth and being aligned in powerful presence in ways that then brings that presence into every circumstance, into every situation, and everyone receives the benefit of that. I look forward to being back with you to share an insightful journey, my time away, and looking forward to bringing the truth of where we live and move and have our being, as we have been taught by our master teacher. Come join us this Sunday. We have 3 trees with us tonight with Amazing Soul Healing Journey. We have 3 trees on Sunday with us. It's going to be a powerful Sunday, and I'm looking forward to being back with my Unity of Bay Area, Houston, loving, wondrous tribe. God bless you, friends. See you sometime over the course of all these many, many events, or if not, in the ethers, in this play of the universal consciousness. God bless you, friends.